She cooked. She cleaned. She worked every single day. But her husband, he stayed in bed all day long. Then one morning, he looked at her and said, "I want a divorce." What happened next changed her life forever. Mia was a hard-working woman. Every morning, she woke up at 6 o'clock. She cleaned the house. She cooked breakfast. Then she went to work. Her husband, Daniel, stayed in bed all day. He did not work. He did not help her. At first, Mia said nothing. She loved him. She believed things would change one day. But they never changed. What will Maya and Daniel do in the coming days? We'll find out in the next video. Did you enjoy this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more touching English stories.